Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Marietta, Georgia. I am in East Cobb County, which is northwest of the city of Atlanta, and we're going to preview this 5-bedroom, 5 full bath, 1 half bath home that you see behind me. I'm excited to show it to you. If you want to get some more information quickly on this house, you can just enter the text code that you see below and you'll get sent a link directly so you can get more information on this house. And also, if you want to book a call with me to see this house or any other home on my channel, just reach out to me, okay? Now, before we get started, like always, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and do it now before we get started. And leave a comment below if you have any questions about this house or any other house on my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out new videos. I'm excited to show you this video tour. Let's get it started. Take a look at this new construction in the award-winning WALTON High School District in a brand new 21-home subdivision conveniently located close to shopping, restaurants, and East Cobb Park. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 1 half bath, and sits on just over 4,300 square feet. It is in Cobb County, which is northwest of the city of Atlanta. This home is listed by Gail and McCown for Ansley Real Estate and Christie's International Real Estate. This open, contemporary floor plan home boasts a huge secret. Immediately hidden off the large open kitchen with its 13-foot island sits a second fully equipped prep caterer's kitchen, customized by the owners. The generous space of the open living area, anchored by the dark gray shiplap fireplace, makes entertaining warm and easy. All 5 bedrooms have their own ensuite bathrooms. The expansive upper-level master suite has plenty of room for a sitting area, providing a getaway privately from a busy day. The master closet is enormous and offers yet another secret: a side door to a small room full of natural light that can be used as a private meditation room, nursery, office, or his or her closet. At the back left corner of the upper level is a media room already supplied with behind-wall wiring for surround sound and TV connections. Location can't be beat, as it's minutes from downtown Roswell, the Riverwalk, park stores, and restaurants. Local Cobb County schools include Eastside Elementary, Dodgton Middle, and WALTON High Schools. I'm very excited to show you this ready to move in home. Let's start your tour. All right, we're back. What did you think about this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5 full baths, 1/2 bath home here in Marietta, Georgia? Brand new construction, ready to move in.
is this the one for you? I'd like to know. Leave a comment down below, and if you want to get more information on this house, there is a text code that you see below. You can simply enter that text code and you will automatically get information about this house. And don't forget, you can also book a call with me as well. So if you're feeling this house, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you hit that notification bell when you subscribe so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I look forward to bringing you more videos and information about Metro Atlanta. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Peace.